take a look at these 3 knives. Excuse me. So, I just got this one today. Sorry. Nice little Gerber. Kind of lightweight. And it is sharp. Get you up closer. Very light. It's all metal. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this. So, to close this one, ew, I'm doing this really bad. You gotta push this over. Shut it. That's the new little Gerber. This is my handy. I love this one. Kershaw. I've had this one for maybe a month. And I do like it because it is a flipper. It's handy. Also came very sharp. Light, very light. See the scales in there. You can see the little spot right there where you pull it over to unlock the blade. Like that. So, very good little pocket knife, this little Kershaw. And then, this one I've actually had for years and years. It's a little Gerber with the clip. And it's just simply open it up. And there you go. It's a razor. Good little knife. Handy for opening boxes. Yeah, it's opened a lot of boxes. I've had it for a long time. Again, push this over and shuts. And Gerber makes some pretty good knives, so does Kershaw, and I like bucks. Try to find something reasonable. You know, some of these knives are really outrageously priced, but those are my 3 little handy knives. This one I use quite often during the day, just for various things. Nice little Gerber. That's like $12. New knife was $9. And the Kershaw was around $20. Also a very good knife. All of them are very packable in your pocket or your purse. Easy to sharpen. And that's all I have about those little knives.